Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil fill tube on your lawnmower. The fill tube is attached to your lawnmower's crankcase. It allows you to add oil to the lawnmower, and it houses the dipstick so you can check the oil level. Depending on the design of your lawnmower, the fill tube may be easily accessible, like it is on this mower, or it may have shrouds built in around it. You may need to remove the shrouds and sometimes even the fuel tank in order to access the fill tube. The fill tube can wear over time and need to be replaced. Usually it's damaged by something hitting it, which will crack it, quite often down at the base where it attaches to the crankcase. Before I can replace the fill tube, I'll need to drain the oil from the engine. Otherwise, when I remove the tube, it'll spill out of the engine. What we'll need to do first is tip the lawnmower to drain the oil. When you do that, you need to make sure that the carburetor is pointed up, so the gas doesn't leak from the carburetor. Also, it's good to try to wait until the gas tank is empty or nearly empty so that the gas doesn't leak from the fuel cap. Newer lawnmowers will have a carbon-filled fuel cap, and the gasoline can get into that carbon and damage it. Refer to the engine's owner's manual for the correct type of oil, or check the manufacturer's website. Typically, a lawnmower like this is going to use either 10W30 or 30 weight motor oil. If your lawnmower has a fuel shutoff valve, it's a good idea to turn that off before tipping the mower. Now I can drain the oil from the mower. I'll remove the dipstick, set it aside. I've set up a pan to catch the oil, and now I'll tip the mower and drain the oil through the fill tube. With the oil drained from the engine, now I can tip the mower back onto its wheels. With the oil removed from the engine, now go ahead and remove the fill tube. With the fill tube removed, now I can remove the O-ring so I can transfer it to the new tube. I'll use a pick to pull it away. Now I'll install the O-ring onto the new fill tube. Now reinstall the fill tube back onto the engine. Now I can fill the engine with new oil. I'll place a funnel into the fill tube, and I'll add the oil slowly, checking the level with the dipstick as I go. After I add, I'll wait a second for the oil to settle into the crankcase. Still just a little low, so I'll add a little more. And that looks correct. And I'll replace and secure the dipstick.